Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. Let's get started. Open Instagram on your device first. If your sleep mode is on, it will show something like this on your profile. Now to disable it, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Tap on Time Management under How you use Instagram. Here, it will show you the time that you've spent on the app. Tap on Sleep Mode at the bottom. Now to disable it, simply toggle off the option for sleep mode at the top. Just like so. And this is how to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.